Does your lawn look like it was cut by an angry barber? Leveling your lawnmower cutting deck can be quick and easy. Here's how. Let's dive in. First, raise the deck to the desired height. Next, shim the right side to the approximate height desired. Now adjust the knot on the threaded rod up or down depending on where level is on your mower deck. We had to raise the right side up quite a bit. Next, remove the blocks. Raise and lower the mower deck several times. Now eyeball the mower for level. You can use a level on the mower deck, but the garage floor, shed floor, or driveway must be level. I'd recommend if you can't eyeball it, use a ruler to measure from the bottom of the deck to the ground on either side. Repeat the process if necessary. Now you're ready for cutting. For more videos on lawn care, click the image on your screen now.